NDNPS court sentences a drug dealer arrested 2 years ago to 13 years of rigorous imprisonment and a fine of 12 lakh rupees. RIMS MS assures of taking necessary legal action against RIMS ECG room rape incident. POCSO court puts rape accused in 15 days judicial remand. Work Minister Thongam Biswajit assures to complete construction of foot overbridges in Imphal City by this November. And Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian opens 4-day State Agricultural Fair 2019 at Iboyama, Sumanglila, Shanglei. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibete Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Special Judge NDNPS FTCS Tara Devi has sentenced a drug dealer to 13 years of rigorous imprisonment along with a fine of 2 lakh rupees. 40-year-old convict MD Shabuddin, son of MD Najmuddin from Lilong, Tairen Makhong in Thawal district, was apprehended 2 years ago in possession of contraband drugs in 10 and SP tablets. Accused counsel pleaded to the judge to minimize their punishment, but the state council urged the judge to give them severe punishments under Section 21C and 21B of the NDNPS Act 1958. The two convicts were apprehended at Noni on January 20, 2017 for possessing 19,010 tablets and 8 kg 630 grams of SP tablets. The final case hearing was held on October 3. The NDNPS Special Judge convicted them under Section 21 and 29 of the NDNPS Act 1958. RIMS Medical Superintendent C.H. Arun Kumar has assured that necessary legal actions will be taken against those involved in the rape incident at the ECG room of the hospital. He was speaking on the sidelines of inspecting security measures being taken in the hospital in view of the possible agitation by the rape victim's family. Stating that an inquiry team has already started investigation into the case, he assured that the hospital authority will ensure that such unwanted incidents do not occur again. Dr. C.H. Arun Kumar appealed to follow the guidelines of RIMS to let a family member accompany patient for any tests in the hospital.
अखोई पामदब तौदोतु अखोइना नुवाइतब तौदोदो थोकरसु वातोंदा अमहना प्रजादा आइना हाइजरी मदुदि सिगुमसे अमना थोन जरोय अदुगा अखोइदा थाजबा दुम थंबियो रिम्स हॉस्पिटल फगलनसी रिम्स हॉस्पिटल से अखोइगी एम्स की थाकता पुकनबा कन्न होनरी बनी यूनियन मिनिस्टर हर्षवर्धन दा पोखरबनी अदुना अखोइगी लेवलदा याम कन्न फगनबा रिम्स की मिंचत फगलेंगे सिदा चांग ताबा अखोई चाक चक्रिंग अमना सिंको मा मांगथोकपा अदुमाइन तौदना मांगथोकरे अदुबो अमोन अखोई मयाम होनजदना फगलनसी अइना मसिग मितांगजिदा प्रजागी साजोकसु अइ निजरी.
Accused Tokchum Suraj, who allegedly raped a 12-year-old girl while taking ECG at RIMS Hospital, was produced before POCSO Court Imphal West today. Victims' family members and relatives stormed Chairap Court complex upon learning that Suraj will be produced before the court. Special Judge POCSO Imphal West remanded rape accused T.H. Suraj into 15 days of judicial custody. Tokchom Suraj from Kesamtong, Moirang Ningthau Lerik allegedly raped a 12-year-old girl while taking ECG at RIMS Hospital in the wee hour of October 3. Imphal West Women Police has registered a case and investigations are underway. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit launched Manipur's first footbridge at Kangla today. The minister assured to complete the construction of the remaining foot overbridges by this November. Public Works Department, Government of Manipur started building the foot overbridges worth around 16.6 crore rupees under the funding of the Ministry of Road Transport in 4 different areas of Imphal city since April 2019. Speaking on the occasion, Minister T.H. Biswajit asserted that the foot overbridges were built to ensure safe passage for pedestrians. He maintained that the construction is almost 75% completed. He claimed that unlike the former government, the present government has initiated various developmental works for the welfare of the people in the state.
Foot overbridge habasi akhoi Kangla ne mamang ne aduga BT road amadi akhoi Kasam Pat tawgadabni marwena akhoi ngasi mamphom sida pakhali basi akhoi Kangla gi mamang dani masi akhoi ngasi akhoi thangat pasi nakal ani maki complete onena ba akhoi kanna akhoi honagani adu ngamsu ngamgani haibagi achpa thajabal lei aduga tasengna hariba thaba ahum ji December da loinena bagi akhoi gi leriba stipulated date of the akhoi completion ji officially akhoi December dani 24 December dani adu akhoi masi BT ga akhoi Kangla siga akhoi kano November da loisangani adu December dana akhoi leriba Kasam Pat ki si akhoi dispute khara lerubna maram moraga akhoi December da loisan bagi pandam thamli aduga hariba si akhoi punna akhoi 16.6 crore ni aduga si manungda akhoi expenditure pangchat chatri aduga akhoi thabakna progress 75% gumbagi akhoi hujik loisale adu.
Speaking on the sidelines, additional Chief Engineer of National Highway Y. Joy Kumar asserted that construction of ring roads as planned in 2015 will start at the earliest. He assured to urge the government to solve the existing compensation issues to initiate construction of ring roads by this November.
पैसासी कोना वर्क्स की ओइनम चंग 800 crores मुनि अदुगा कोई compensation की के अतोप मयाम लाकांदा तोंगानबा कोई 1180 गुमगी crores की प्रोजेक्शन ने अदु मसे कितन हेन बे का ताबे कोई फाइनल हैंग केन टेंडर तोरकान से सब साब दे खंगन नौना अमुक हंदक से कोई नवंबर लाइव ना कोई ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर हारम बदुनी कोई डी नेशन डेवलपमेंट ने कोई मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट ने अमा सोई तौनरकान दा थबक से पाखतपा होनब तौरन.
An explosive planted by unknown miscreants exploded near Western Campus fencing of Subsidiary Intelligence Bureau bordering to St. George High School of Moray yesterday at around 9 p.m. No casualties were reported and no splinter was found at the site except for some torn plastic bags which wrapped the explosive. According to Impact News sources, explosion of the bomb, which is believed to be a timer IED, destroyed walls of the IB. Upon hearing the thunderous sound of explosion, Moray Police OC rushed to the spot and cordoned the area. Later, a team of Moray Police personnel conducted search operation at the site. Additional SP operation, additional SP Law and Order and 43rd Assam Rifles commanding officer also inspected the site. This is the third explosion by unknown miscreants near the IB. Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian inaugurated 4-day State Agricultural Fair 2019 at Iboyama, Sumanglila, Shanglin today. State Agriculture Department along with State Agricultural Management and Extension Training Institute, Samiti Manipur jointly organized a fair sponsored by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, Government of India on the theme Climate Resilient Agriculture. Speaking on the occasion, Minister V. Hankalian asserted that the economy of Manipur is dependent on agricultural production. Responding to media about provision of drought reliefs for farmers in the state, the Agriculture Minister said that a central expert team is coming to inspect the drought-affected paddy fields. He stated that the Agriculture Department and Disaster Management team of the state will offer necessary assistance for the same. He assured that financial aids will be provided only after the central team identifies drought-affected areas. Altogether, 48 stalls including 13 private stalls, 9 stalls of agriculture technology management agency, 7 stalls of machinery, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, KVK Thobal, KVK Imphal East and Line Department are opened at the agricultural fair.
Likhoy stall mazam jengmo matamda improvement jamna chathare KVK aduga CAU kaugi aduga KVK singna puthok cheriba anova makhalgi agriculture implements or agriculture inputs ekhoi puthok se hena thokna ba yamna technology makhal tongan so tobire yamna nungare smam gi makhada makhal tongan ba latest models agriculture implementing se yamna encouraging ore ekhoi Manipur sida sigi implementing aduga technology sing sizinama matamda ekhoi agriculture gi pothok se 2022 phawda ekhoi gi agriculture pothok se double up toba yananabagi pandam ni haina.
Entrepreneurs who have opened their stalls at the Agri Fair shared their views to the Impact News.
Fair se tasengmadi fair haibase masi number 1 point knowledge exchange ne haibadi aikoi na ngasi little knowledge ama haibadi ai sa chengum je 2001 da ai mushroom je ai training phangjai ai share dagi ai 2002 dagi chengum thajare 2002 dagi na chengum ta till now chibuk ai chengum gi lambi da laksere cheda kana gumba farmer ama interested to the mushroom madugi knowledge exchange ama to wi ai maramdi ai na ngasi lakse ju ai taseng ai taraga ai na khara khangjari ba ai na sigi 2002 dina 2019 mudal ai na phangjari ba ai experience to madu ai na farmer the interested farmers in the I mado exchange to get laxer.
According to Tambija, Koi Nikunai Koina, Aduga smokers Yauzere, they gave Bian Yaubire, they get Koi kept Chizang and the Koizang and the kept the Sizio. Department side, the Quan Hygienic was here, departments in the young and be the Haga, Mapom Pomzaga, the Tan, Nabagi, Tutobiro, the Koi can was he, Kana Koi Honazeria, Bakoi Manipur.
When you say bamboo suit packet simone, they get quite how Nasaba cake simone, Sigi brands when a mangal and a tone. Bamboo suit see almost 3 years, say home pare, I do a Chahau city kuidri, Chahau city when I was a trial tobani, Adubo, must say demand different later. Market demand the no mother, 1,000 dozens. Demand layer. Agri fair to oversee Yamna Chamaga Sukra, Adam significant Weba, Yam Kanaba Posagamani, Maruina, Akogi products, Mayam the Kangan Bagi, Kurung Java, Ama Pangi, Lona Lona, Akogi, Awarapado, Akoi Sida, Fear Yomin, the River Singer, Sheer Toraga, Kogi, Chakanabagi, Upayama Haitare, means some of the Adum fears in a way.
Proscribed People's Revolutionary Party of Kanglai Park Pre-Park extended greetings to people and outfit of Western South Asia VC region on Pre-Park's 42nd Foundation Day, which falls tomorrow. Acting chairman of the outfit, K.H. Sethi, in a press release urged people to fight for freedom from the Indian rule. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on lifting of Jammu and Kashmir Home Department's advisory asking tourists to leave the valley due to terror threat from October 10. Keep watching Impact News.
Haraumathoi karaba customer listing tarar makhogi punsi gi mai pak bu celebrate tori pumnam ki matak dalai ba SUV asiga lemjening ai word family asiga sarugama oibiu adom gi punsi gi mai pak ba Harrier galuna celebrate tobiu Harrier pumnam ki matak dalai ba SUV.
Nungairaba pause Northeast India ki ahan housing finance company oriba NHB wholly owned by RBI and license speak raba masu Ministry of Finance Department of Financial Services Government of India financial institution oina sakhang raba Pantuvi Housing Finance Company Limited na PMAYCLSS Housing for All mission ki makada 2.67 lakh pawagi subsidy yawa subsidized home loan pibagi thabak chathajari rural gi lupa leasing taraga nipan amasung urban gi lupa leasing kunga mathoi thagi regular income lakpa private sector government employees amasung business tawriba sing apply tawbiba yakani ngasima office matam the head office natraga branch sing the length sin directuna adom gi yum sing atuba matam da sabiyo amasung Pantuvi groups of companies ki financial facilities sing sulobina ba kanganjari akupa marol gi dama Pantuvi Housing Finance Company Limited orang public kai uripok.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. The Jammu and Kashmir Home Department's advisory asking tourists to leave the valley due to terror threat will be lifted from 10th of this month. The advisory was issued on 2nd of August this year. This decision was taken in security review meeting held under the chairmanship of Governor Satyapal Malik in Srinagar yesterday. An official spokesman said that for the past 6 weeks, all the security restrictions were removed in most parts of Jammu and At least 4 persons who were feared trapped inside a pump house after a pipeline carrying water to a hydropower plant burst in Assam's Dima Hasao district remained untraced on Tuesday, more than 24 hours after the accident. At least 3 employees of the state-run Northeastern Electric Power Corporation and another worker have gone missing after a large portion of the Kopili hydroelectric plant, including the entire pump house area, was inundated due to rupture in the pipeline that carries 12,000 liters of water per second. The inter-pipeline and the valve that burst used to supply water to the pump house of the project from its reservoir at Umrangsao area in the district. Located on the Kopili River, the Kopili hydroelectric project was a maiden venture of NIPCO when it came into existence in 1976. On the eve of Dussehra, President Ramnath Kovind, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other leaders extended their greetings to the nation. The President expressed hope that the Dussehra festival will inspire people to work towards helping the needy and deprived. Now the sports news. In the World Women's Boxing Championship, 6-time world champion Mary Kom will start her campaign today against Thailand's Jutamas Jiptong in the 51-kilogram category after a comprehensive victory in the last 16th stage at Ulan-Ude in Russia. The 3-seeded Indian had a bye in the first round. The other Indian match today will feature Sweti Bora in 75-kilogram category, who will face second seed Lauren Price of Wales. Both the boxers from India will be eyeing a quarter-final spot. Yesterday's India's Manjurani advanced to the quarter-finals in 48-kilogram category after a comprehensive victory in Russia. The 6-seeded Indian prevailed 5-0 over Venezuela's Rogers Tayones Cedeno to stand just one win away from securing a medal in her debut at the big event. She will next face last edition's bronze medalist and top seed Kim Hyang-mi of South Korea on Thursday. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. NDNPS court sentences a drug dealer arrested 2 years ago to 13 years of rigorous imprisonment and a fine of 12 lakh rupees. RIMS MS assures of taking necessary legal action against RIMS ECG room rape incident. POCSO court puts rape accused in 15 days judicial remand. Work Minister Thongam Biswajit assures to complete construction of foot overbridges in Imphal City by this November. And Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian opens 4-day State Agricultural Fair 2019 at Ibuema, Sumanglila, Shanglei.